चलिए, इसी बीच हमारे साथ वीए श्री कुमार मेनन जी जुड़ चुके हैं, जो कि एक ब्रांड स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट हैं। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सर आपका। वीए श्री कुमार जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मेनन जी, जिस प्रकार से देखिए लगातार रुझान सामने आ रहे हैं, उसको और आप कैसे देख रहे हैं? मेनन जी, क्या आप तक मेरी आवाज पहुंच रही है? जी सर, मेरा सवाल ये है कि जिस प्रकार से एनडीए गठबंधन और इंडिया गठबंधन के लगातार रुझान सामने आ रहे हैं, उसको आप कैसे देख रहे हैं? वीए श्री कुमार मेनन जी।
I feel NDA will win comfortably finally because there are a lot of rounds to be counted again. NDA will come back to power comfortably. That's what I feel.
Yes, but sir, if we talk about Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, then we can see that NDA is at back foot for now.
Yeah, because it is not expected. We have been following up all the exit polls and opinion polls and all, but it was all telling a different picture, but it is little surprising though, but finally
श्री कुमार जी, अगर केरला की बात की जाए, स्पेसिफिक केरला की बात की जाए, तो बीजेपी का 2 सीटों पे बढ़त देखी जा रही है।
It is actually very surprising, but Suresh Gopi from Thrissur, there was a lot of.
So BJP is actually getting 2 seats in Kerala, and there is a relief for BJP. How you see it?
It's a big relief, as well as it's a big victory for BJP, because for the last 75 years they were not able to get a Lok Sabha seat, and that too in their own simple, that too in Lotus. They are winning 2 seats. It's big. Then that two important constituencies, that of Thrissur and Trivandrum.
And if we talk about South, then there was a whole conspiracy about South is Dakshin Bhashi Belt and Hindi Bhashi Belt. It is more like Hindi Belt and Dakshin Belt. How you see that BJP is getting some good response from South?
Because that is fading out. That BJP is a North Indian party, and and we cannot relate to BJP here in South. That particular argument is fading out. BJP is now gaining acceptance as a national party.
श्री कुमार जी, 20 सीटें लोकसभा की हैं, उसमें से 13 सीटें कांग्रेस को जाती दिख रही हैं। क्या वामपंथ का गढ़ खत्म हो रहा है?
Please repeat the question.
It is more likely is Vampant is about to die in South Belt? Like finish in South
because
Belt.
BJP hereafter will make serious gains in South, because once you have seen the history, if they get foothold of 1 or 2 seats, then in the following elections they will come and sweep this area. That is what they do. So these 2 important seats, winning 2 important seats in Kerala, will make a lot of difference for BJP in South, especially in Kerala.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for connecting with us. Or